What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you spending some time with me. It's Thanksgiving week, and guess what? We've got some sweet deals coming up for you on our website, but also Trade Ideas Pro, the scanner site that I use every single day. This is my go-to tool for scanning the market for stocks to trade. This Trade Ideas Pro is actually offering a huge discount. It's 25% off all subscriptions on their website if you sign up with the link that we have in the description below, which I think is really cool. So if you've been interested in possibly trying Trade Ideas Pro, or if you're interested in possibly, finally taking the leap, purchasing Trade Ideas Pro and building your own custom scanners, I'm telling you guys, this is the way to go. Now, yes, of course, I am an affiliate for them, so I am, getting a kickback for that. But I will tell you guys, I love Trade Ideas Pro. That's the whole reason I actually am an affiliate with them. So I've been reached out by numerous companies and platforms, and Trade Ideas Pro is something that means a lot to me. It's a scanner site that makes it really easy for me to scan thousands of stocks, real time, and get these alerts real time. And I'll go over some of these alerts that we got today, but this is my market hours layout. It's a real simple layout. I've got a few windows here. To some, it may look a little complex. To others, it may not look so complex. But another sweet little treat I have for everyone who's still listening in is if you guys sign up with my discount code and you sign up with my link in the description below, I'll be sending you a private video on me setting up my momentum layout, or setting up one of my many momentum layouts that you can then use, mess around with the settings, and really build to make it your own. It's over an hour private video. This will not be released on YouTube. And this will be specifically for anyone signing up with my link with Trade Ideas Pro, as I want to make sure that, you're not just getting the tool, you're also getting some hands-on experience and some know-how, right? So we're going to share that with you. But to go over the alerts that we have here, or the layout, you can see that on the left-hand side, if I can find my cursor, here it is. On the left-hand side, this layout that we have here, or this window, you can move all of these windows around. I have a floating layout. And so I built each one of these customized to my strategy. And so this is a momentum type of layout. And on the left-hand side, this is going to be low float stocks with momentum. And we can scroll down. You can see Zena, Z-E-N-A, the Warrior Princess, is on here a number of times. You can see all the way 337. If I scroll down, you'll see the earliest alerts. We've got one at 321, and I believe we have some before that as well. So $3.21. If I go to the top, which is the most recent alerts, 321, we're hitting over $4. So Zena is giving us a really nice trade right there on the scans. Now, if you look at this scanner here, this is a Find It First scanner. This is a scanner that I built that really just looks for stocks that are going to start to pop and possibly break out on the day. And so not all of these will break out, but if we scroll to the bottom here, we can see Zena at 9:38 a.m. Eastern time. Zena hit at $2.15, and we're seeing it over $2. That's almost 100% on this one, guys. Over $2 per share for a $2 stock. We can afford a lot of shares at $2, right? So really great scanners here identifying that. We've got a volume scan down below that's identifying some of the volume, but the meat and potatoes here is going to be my multi-strategy windows, which I show you how to build that in that private video. And I also have a gap up list over here. That's really going to be something that I'm looking for. These stocks are gapping up. So QMCO, traded this one earlier, did well on this one with our group. ZENA, this one I did not trade today, but as you can see, hit that scanner early on at 2:15, letting us know, hey, it's on the Find It First. If I scroll over here, let's see, I do not see it on that list. So maybe it's on a few other scanners here, but this one is specific for low float momentum. This is my go-to strategy typically, and these are the alerts that I'm looking for. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we'll see Zena has been on here all the way from 250 on and 215 over here. So it's just a lot of alerts on Zena, right? So we know what to watch because it's eliminating a lot of the BS alerts, and that's really because of the filters that I've had built into this scanner here. And I've been building scanners for years. I've been known as a scanner nerd. That's okay. I love it. It's one of my favorite things to do. Just dive into that and study. But guys, if you want to get access to my private over an hour long tutorial on building a momentum layout similar to this one here, Just sign up with the Trade Ideas Pro link down below. You'll get access to Trade Ideas Pro, where you'll get access to their scanners, their filters, and you can customize and build your own layout similar to this one here. But then on top of that, I'm going to send you that private video. And if you guys want access to that and you don't have, if you already have Trade Ideas Pro, or if or maybe you've already purchased it in the past, but you want to get access to that, we may release that on the website as well. So check it out at BullishBobLive.com. But guys, I appreciate your time. It's a 25% off all subscriptions through Trade Ideas Pro. Go check it out in the link in the description below and sign up today to get my private video I'll send to you via email. Thank you guys.